Good Business San Diego Financial News Update, sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.
Good evening. I'm Brent Wilsey, president of the investment firm Wilsey Asset Management. Well, holiday shopping, it is hitting record levels, and you may be thinking, am I the only person out shopping? Well, actually the crowds are pretty big, but what about spending? And it is kind of amazing. The difference between what people say they're going to do and what they actually do is completely different. According to the National Association of the National Retail Federation, they said that from Thanksgiving Day through Cyber Monday, 203 million people were out there shopping, either online or on the out in the malls there. Now, that's a big number. Compared to last year, 2024, was only 197 million. What's even more amazing, because they expected not such a great year so far, compared to what the estimate was 187 million. So a lot of people out there shopping. And I've kind of noticed that I left work last night around 6:30. The freeway was still packed with people. I'm stuck in traffic. People out there eating, going to dinner, meeting friends, out there at the malls and shopping and so forth. And they are shopping online and in stores. And I do remember, I want to say probably 5-10 years ago, people said, Brent, you don't get it. What's going to happen? Everybody's going to be shopping online and the mall's going to be closed, the stores are closing, that's over. That's a thing of yesterday. Well, that's just not happening. Let me give you some numbers. Online shopping year over year was up 9%. 135 million people were shopping online, again, from Thanksgiving to Cyber Monday. Now, what about people going out to the malls and retail stores? They were doing that, up 3% year over year. 130 million people. And I do remember this. They said it's going to be about a 50-50 split. We're at that number. 135 million people shopping online, 130 million people in the malls and the retail stores. And again, sometimes people do both. I mean, it is kind of nice. We're social human beings to go to the mall, get all the excitement, the holiday spirit, everything. But just sometimes you're in a hurry, you need to get that gift, don't feel like going out, you do online. So it's a combination of both, and we're about 50-50 going online shopping and also going to the malls. Well, what about that number? Maybe people think, well, maybe people have done all their shopping already and they're all done. Well, that's not true. According to the National Retail Federation, people are telling them that, you know what, we still have 53% of our shopping to do. So don't think the mall's going to slow down. They're not going to slow down. And what's amazing about that is that, you know, with that much to still do, they're going to continue to be packed. So the Retail Federation also said, we're looking for a record year this year. They're looking for numbers somewhere around $1.1 to $1 trillion in retail sales this year, this holiday season. That would be a new record, first time above $1 trillion, and that is up about 4% from last year. So what is going on? Why do people say one thing and feel and do something else? Well, yesterday, a jobs report came out called JOLTS. That stands for Job Opening Labor Turnover Survey. There are still about nearly 7.7 million jobs out there, so people still feel kind of good. They may say something different, and the layoffs. Oh, I see a lot of layoffs. That's still not above the average. The job market is still pretty strong, and people worry about AI. Oh, the jobs are going away. They are not. Employers, almost 7.7 million jobs out there for people to get. That is helping people feel better about their job. And the quit ratio was a little bit low, but I don't think people are going to quit their job during the holidays. That could change. We'll be watching it in January and February. I think that could change with that strong job market. So all this information does come from our website, smartinvesting2000.com. A lot of great educational information there. Have questions, let us know. Again, smartinvesting2000.com. Sign up for the newsletter there as well. It's a free newsletter. It gives all this information about everything that we're talking about. Thanks for listening. I'm Brent Wilsey, again, president of the investment firm Wilsey Asset Management. Have a great evening.
This has been a Good Business San Diego Financial News Update, sponsored by Wilsey Asset Management.